Thank you, Corina, where is she, for inviting me. And it's been, I mean, we're so close, and you see so many Israelis come to Greece, but to tell you the truth, I haven't been in many years because I travel for work and not for vacations. But first of all, we're really close. It was 1 hour and 50 minutes. The time is the same, and the number of population is about the same. I just checked it, around 10 million. So, you know, when we speak about lung cancer, we have the professionals, the teams, the doctors that chose to work in lung cancer. But then we have the people who did not choose lung cancer, but it happened to them. And like Corina, she and Simon did not choose lung cancer. It happened to Simon in 2019. So also for me, my husband was diagnosed earlier in 2011 with stage 4 lung cancer, and he was 43 years old. My children were 6 and 9, and he was a never smoker. So you can imagine how devastating it was. It was just the beginning of starting to speak about, personalized medicine. And like Corina, it happened to him, but it happened to our family. And it's so important to treat and do everything for lung cancer because it's not just the patient, right? It's the family, it's the people who live with the patient, and it affects much more than just the patient. So I became a patient advocate, and in 2014 I established the Israeli Lung Cancer Foundation. I left what I did. I was working as a scientist, and I met Corina a few years ago, and I want to congratulate Corina and FairLife and the team for doing such important and amazing work, because this is how you drive change. We know how difficult it is, and this is why we are so passionate about moving things forward. Corina, one other thing I wanted to mention is that it is very important. I mean, we are in the new era of lung cancer. We have many new treatments. And I just said how wonderful you are, Corina, as a colleague of mine,
I think you are wonderful. I mean, Shani was and is a role model for me. When I joined this world, I mean, I had a picture of the people that are dealing with the lung cancer, and Shani for me is a treasure. Probably she said that she lost her husband. Yeah. She created the organization 10 years ago, but she lost her husband like maybe 2 years ago.
3 years ago.
Yeah. And she has done an incredible job worldwide about lung cancer. She was the chair of L.C.C for patient advocates. Thank you for being with us. And recently she's also part of our advisory committee, and we're really proud because FairLife is not just me. It's a group of people that are working together. Thank you so much, Shani, for joining.
And what I wanted to add is about regarding screening. So, with personalized medicine, we have much more, people can now live with lung cancer, some of them, right, and survive a few years. But the best thing for any disease is, first of all, prevention, and then is early diagnosis. And for me in Israel, this was my passion because I know how devastating it is, lung cancer, stage 4 lung cancer. So we fought for many years to have the lung cancer screening program in the Israeli health system. And we worked for 8 years till we had a pilot in Israel, and now it's a national program in Israel. So I really urge all the, stakeholders and Corina and FairLife to see how we can save people, because it does save lives. And somebody, when I fought so hard for having lung cancer screening, so one doctor asked me, he said, "Why do you care so much? It wouldn't help your husband, right? He was a never smoker." But I said, but I know what lung cancer and stage 4 lung cancer is for the family, right? And I will do anything to save those people's lives, those people's families, so they will not suffer so much like me and my children suffered. But there's optimism, and please keep on doing the good work. Everybody, we need all the stakeholders together with a collaborative effort to really do good things. And well done, Corina, FairLife, and the team. Thank you.
Οι κορίνες του κόσμου.
Αυτό είναι.
Και η δύναμη που απελευθερώνουν.